Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your ordinary girl here, Loving Nights. Kindly consider to like, subscribe, and share. And remember to hit that notification bell. So today, I'm going to show you places you should visit while in Eldoret. The first place is Poa Place. That place is so nice. And inside, there is swimming pool, there is restaurant, there is animal orphanage, there is nature and cultural center. So guys, walk with me. Let's see what they offer. The reason why I'm in love with nature and culture in Power Place is that first, their price is very affordable, in that a child has to pay 80 shillings and an adult has to pay 150. And inside here we have varieties of animals. You've been told there is lion, hyena, chicken. I know you won't believe it, but you're going to show you. They have monkeys, they have crocodiles and everything. So guys, just enjoy the video. And if you visit Eldoret, kindly come and visit this place, because there is also cultural houses. That one you're going to show you on our next video. Right now, let's focus on the animals. Oh my god. Okay, let's just enjoy it. So here are the turtles. It's turtles or tortoise?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. See, they're feeding. They feed grass.
Shida ina lazima hibernate inajifanya kimawe.
See.
And we have the young ones. This is dogo. And there are so many here. Ndio zile zingine. It's a whole population, sindo?
Yeah.
And the most unexpected thing you can ever see in a zoo animal, I hope najua kwa hii video hakuna mtu ana expect what I'm going to show you. This has never been done anywhere. But guess what? It's chicken. This zoo is very funny. It's very fun.
Orphanage with chicken.
Yeah, chicken, they are birds. Unajua most people don't appreciate that. Yeah.
What?
Chicken. Yeah, those are the big birds. Yeah. And do you know the surprising thing? Kati ya hizi ostrich ni gani supu?
The black.
Yeah, and the funny thing ni ati the black one is the male. And this ugly one is the female. Kwa ostriches zinaenda kulisika watu. The beautiful one is the male and the ugly one is the female. Yeah.
Okay.